Hey, it's Chris with Paragon Inspection, bringing you an electrical history moment. I'm in a house that was built just before the break of the century. When this house was originally constructed, it didn't have any plumbing, indoor plumbing. It probably didn't have electricity either, but it was added at some point. And so what I want to show you here, let me turn on my light, is knob and tube wiring. So you can see the wiring actually runs through the ceiling joist there. These knobs help hold it in place where it's terminated and spliced. These tubes are what allow the wiring to actually pass through the structural members. And the danger with this is that over time, this insulation over this wiring deteriorates and it actually shows the wire. Then it can come into contact with insulation and things like that. The ceramic tubes also become displaced, and then you have hot wiring sitting right on combustible wood. So that's a recipe for disaster. There are ways to update this, and that includes the use of Romex wiring, and there's a number of different things you can do here, but the recommendation with this house will be that the knob and tube is updated, no longer used. And something else to mention on this house, it had a brand new shiny electrical panel outside that only serves the Romex in the house. You would never have known that there's hot knob and tube wiring up here also. So that's what an inspector's here to do. That's what I'm here to do, is look out for you and give you all the information that I can find. So give us a shout when you need us, and we'll be there to help. Bye-bye. Have a great day.